Hey guys, welcome back to our Easy channel. My name is Sophia and today we are going to be talking about 4 different ways to cure your DTF adhesive powder onto your DTF prints. The 4 different ways I'm going to talk about today are curing with the DK20A Geonite clamshell heat press, a DK20A Geonite clamshell heat press with a bottom heated platen, a D1000 VASTEX conveyor dryer, and a Big Red 4D VASTEX conveyor dryer for multiple DTF prints. The first method I'm using here is with the Geonite clamshell heat press. So first, I'm going to close the heat press for 30 seconds to preheat the bottom of the platen before placing the film. This will make the curing time go much faster. After I heated the bottom platen, I am now going to place the DTF print quickly onto the heat press. Next, you have to hover the heat press over the print. You want to get as close as possible to the print without touching it. For this print, I set the heat press to 320 degrees and the time for about 3 minutes. The time and temperature may vary depending on the heat press that you have. A good range will be between 3 to 5 minutes, and the temperature can range anywhere from 275 degrees to 330 degrees Fahrenheit. After the powder is cured, the print will now have a shiny orange peel-like texture to it all around. If you run your finger across it, it should feel nice and smooth. If you feel the texture is slightly tacky or has an oily residue, you may need to cure a bit longer. You want to make sure there is no evidence of any dry powder. The second method I use is the DK20A Geonite clamshell heat press with the optional bottom heat platen attached. So first, I'm going to place the DTF print directly on the bottom platen. Even though you have the bottom heat platen, you have the option to hover over the film here as well. If you hover over the entire time, you can make the process go much faster, or you can leave the press open just like this. For this print, I set the heat press to 320 degrees and got it to cure in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Again, the time and temperature may vary depending on the heat press and the temperature you have set. After the powder is cured, the print will now have a shiny orange peel-like texture to it all around. The same results should appear regardless of what method you decide to use. The third method I'm using is drying with the D1000 VASTEX conveyor dryer. This dryer has a 26-inch wide conveyor belt and is 56 inches long. It is perfect for DTF transfers. After I apply the adhesive powder onto the film, I then place the film onto the dryer. The settings that we use here at EZ are heating level between 5.5 and 6, and the belt speed will range anywhere from 12 and 16. This particular print took 1 minute and 20 seconds to dry. The fourth method I'm using to dry is with the Big Red 4D VASTEX conveyor dryer with a 54-inch wide conveyor belt. The Big Red 4D conveyor dryers are high-performance machines offered in 30-inch and 54-inch belt widths, each with 3 or 4 heaters per chamber. This dryer is great for drying multiple DTF prints at once. These prints dried in a little over 2 minutes. So guys, those are the 4 different methods that can be used when drying DTF prints. Remember, the dried adhesive should have an orange peel-like texture and smooth all around once it's cured. Thanks for watching.